So let us see a program. So here we have to search for lines that start with F, followed by 2 characters, followed by M colon. How do you search for this? Now, the program says that you have to search for lines that start with F. So if you want to write a regular expression for it, so you have said import RE, you open the file, you search to the file, and while searching it, you say re.search all the lines that start with F. So you say caret symbol F. The caret symbol is meant for searching all the patterns in the beginning of the given string. So you have mentioned that. Now it says followed by 2 characters. Now it is not mentioned what the 2 characters are. It can be any character. You just know the count of characters. Now for this, you use a wildcard or a period symbol. It's also called as a wildcard. So you mention the dot symbol over here. How many dot symbols? Since it is saying 2 characters, so 2 dot symbols. So what is the purpose of this dot symbol? Dot symbol, it matches any character. When you don't know what the character is, but you just know the count of characters, you mention that many dot symbols. So a line which starts with F, so caret symbol, F, followed by 2 dot symbol, which means the 2 characters in between, and followed by an M colon. So in the line, you search everything that starts with F. You search for all the lines that start with F, followed by 2 characters, and followed by M colon. If it is present, the search function will return true, and you print the line. And another example. Now, for example, you want to search for lines that start with from and have an @ sign. Now, this @ sign can be anywhere. You know that it starts with from. There can be any number of characters in between the from and @ symbol. So your email address, something like this. It starts with from, has an @ sign. In between, there can be any number of characters. How do you mention that? Now for this, you just say re.search. You're saying starts with from, colon, has any number of characters. So I have to mention period symbol, the dot symbol. Now this dot symbol occurs 1 or more times. There can be 1 character in between this from or @ sign, or more number of characters. How do I mention that? Using the plus symbol. So plus, if you see over here, it applies to the immediately preceding character and indicates to match 1 or more time. So whatever is the immediately preceding character to plus, it matches that character 1 or more times. So over here, before plus, you have the period symbol, which means any character. Now you don't know how many times that any character is occurring. It may occur 1 or more times, so you just follow that by plus. And you know that there should be an @ symbol. So in the line, you're searching for all the lines. It starts with from, colon, any number of dots, any number of characters in between, so dot symbol. You don't know how many times it occurs, so plus 1 or more times. After which you put @ symbol. So if this sequence is found in the given string, it will return true and you print the line. If not, it will not print the line. Now, what if you're extracting data using a regular expression? Now, till now, you were searching for data. You were not extracting anything. So how do you extract using a regular expression? We've got a function called as find all. What is the purpose of find all? To extract a portion of a given string. So, for example, you want to search from the given string, from the given file, anything that looks like an email address. How to do that? Now, a simple example is given. You're saying import RE. S is equal to the given message. Now from this you want to extract anything that looks like an email address. So this over here looks like an email address. This also looks like an email address because it has @ symbol. Now there is one more @ symbol over here. But is that an email address? No, because there are no characters before this @ symbol. So how do you define an email address then? Which has @ symbol, which has symbols or some non-white space character before symbol and some non-white space characters after symbol. Some simple definition of email address. You can be more specific as well. Now, how do I specify this? How do I specify this in my regular expression? So, I want to extract something now. I just don't want to search it. I want to extract it. So, you are using find all function. So, you're saying re.find all. What are you trying to find? All the email addresses. So, you're saying that it should have symbol, a non-white space character before non-white space characters after after. How do I specify that? Now, there is a special character for that. So if you see, \capital S matches a non-white space character. That is what you wanted. So in this program, you want non-white space characters before @. So you are using \capital S followed by plus symbol. What is the plus symbol meant for? As we have seen in the previous program, it is meant to match the previous character one or more times. So you want to say that before there are one or more non-white space characters. After which, after symbol, there can be one or more non-white space characters. So again, \capital S plus symbol. So what are you trying to tell? From this given string S, you're trying to extract this portion. What is this portion? Any string that starts with non-white space character, has one or more non-white space character, has an symbol, followed by one or more non-white space characters. That is fetched and stored in the form of list. And you're printing that list. So if you see the output of the program, the output of the program is something like this. It has returned a list of all the email addresses. Now, similar example for extraction. So assume that you're searching for lines that have @ symbol in between.